All right, today we're going to pull back the curtain on something we all use every single day, but probably never think about. We're talking session management, or put more simply, how in the world does the web actually remember you?
I mean, have you ever really stopped to think about it? How does Amazon keep your shopping cart full while you're clicking around? Or how do you stay logged into your email when you're jumping between your inbox and your sent folder? It feels automatic, right? Like magic. But it's actually a really clever solution to a fundamental problem.
And that problem? Well, it all starts with the fact that the web, by its very nature, has a terrible memory. In fact, it has no memory at all. That's right. The basic language of the web, HTTP, is what we call stateless. Just think of it like talking to someone with zero short-term memory. Every single time you click a link or load a page, the website server has no clue who you are. It's like meeting you for the very first time over and over and over again. Can you even imagine how chaotic that would be? Your shopping cart would just empty itself every time you looked at a new product. You'd have to put in your username and password on every single page. The internet would be totally unusable, just a frustrating mess. The smooth experience we all just expect is only possible because we figured out a way to give the web a memory.
So, how do we do it? How did we take this forgetful technology and turn it into the helpful assistant we know today? The answer is a really simple but powerful idea called a session.
Our source material for this explainer puts it just perfectly. Sessions equal the memory of web apps. That's it. That's the whole game. If the web is naturally forgetful, a session is the short-term memory we bolt onto it. It's the glue holding our entire digital experience together. So what is a session really? It's just a temporary and secure way for a website to remember who you are across a bunch of different pages, but only for that one visit. And the keywords there are temporary and single visit. This isn't about remembering you forever, it's about remembering you for right now. Okay, so we know what gives the web its memory, but how? How does it all actually work behind the scenes when you're browsing? Well, it all comes down to what you could call a secret handshake, a digital one. And the password for that handshake? It's stored in a tiny little file you've definitely heard of a million times. A cookie. That's it. That little thing is the key that unlocks the web's memory. Just for you. Let's just walk through it real quick. First, you log in. You prove you are who you say you are. The server goes, got it, I know you, and it hands you a totally unique session ID. The best analogy is like getting a wristband at a concert or a theme park. The server then tucks that wristband ID into a cookie on your browser. And from then on, with every single click, every page you visit on that site, your browser just quietly flashes that wristband. The server sees the ID, it knows it's you, and it keeps you logged in your shopping cart full. It's this constant, invisible check-in. So all this technical back and forth, what does it really mean for you and me, honestly? It means everything. It's what creates the seamless online world we basically live in. I mean, think about it. Sessions are what keep you securely logged into your bank while you're paying bills. They're the reason you can dump a bunch of stuff in your Amazon cart and know it'll be there later. It's even how Netflix and YouTube can recommend stuff based on what you're watching in that exact moment. This isn't just a nice feature. It's the foundation of how the modern web even works. So the next time you're just browsing around, remember, there's this invisible engine humming away in the background. This quiet, constant conversation between your browser and every site you visit. And that engine, powered by sessions and cookies, is what makes the web feel personal, connected, and actually helpful. And that leaves us with one last thing to think about. If that tiny cookie is the key, if it's your digital wristband that proves who you are to every website, what are you really doing when you go into your settings and hit clear your cookies? You're basically forcing the entire internet to get amnesia. You're telling every website you've ever visited, forget me.